Stop this conversation.
So welcome guys back again. Hope you guys are doing well. So in this video I'll be going through how to use Notion. I've been getting some suggestions from my subscribers on how you go about using Notion. So in this video I'll go to show you guys how to easily use Notion. It's not a hard thing. So let's jump into it. So right now you have I've entered into my Notion account. So it's very easy to set up a Notion account. You just need to sign up. So while you're in Notion, if you want to make a page, you go to this button called add a page and you click on it. This comes. Then now you can name our page. Let's say test 1. And if you see, once you put it, once you enter it, you can see it here, test 1. Then now the good thing in Notion, you can have another page inside this page. So first do that. Now you do a /, then you can see these options which are coming on. So you can see text, page, to-do list, heading 1, heading 2, bulleted list, numbered lists, and so on. So for now, just page. Click on page. So now you go to the next page now. So do that, test 2. Then you can also add emoji icons if you want. So you can click on this, and you can add any icon that you want. Let's say that. So now you can see this test 2 has this emoji icon. So you can go back to test 1, you can see test 2 here inside the emoji icon. So let's say you want to make a table. So you do / then table. So you go for table inline. Then now you can name a table. So you say table 1. Yeah. Then now inside this table you have columns. So the first column is called name, but you can't change it, so it remains as title, but you can change the name of the column. So let's say ID, and ID, let's say week 1. So this is our first entry to this table 1. Then now inside this entry, you can open it as a page, and you can add even further information. So let's say my name is Kenneth, and then the good thing about Notion, it automatically saves, so you don't have to keep saving. So now you can see you have made a table. Made a table inside test 1 page, and inside that table we have an entry called week 1, which can now also open as a page. So now you can even add information. You can even add another table into this. So table inline, so it's called table 2. And you can add another entry, say week 2. Then now you can open that. Say I am 25 years old. Last page. So now you can see inside table, instead of table 1 is table 1, you have week 1. Then week 1 you open as page, you have an information, then you have another table called week 2. Then inside week 2 you have some information. So you can make as much pages as you want, pages within pages, and also tables within tables. So you can add as much information as you want. So that is a quick guide to how to make pages and tables. Those are the ones I usually use a lot. And now editing the table. So you can see this is another column called tags. Then you can choose the property of the column. be it text, number, select, multi-select, date, password, files, media, checkbox, and all that. So for text, you can put it as text and just type anything you want. If it's number, strictly numbers. I want, so that's numbers. Then you can choose now, let's say select. Then select can now make other options. Let's say entry 1. So that's one option. I can add another option, say entry 2. So now when you come to the third entry, you can now choose the entry 1 or entry 2. But now let's say you want to have multiple options. So now you go to multi-select. So now you can add another one, entry 1, 8938. Then let's say you want to put date. You can now choose the date that you want. Say 12 to reflect. Yeah, so that's how it is. Very simple to use. And if you want to add another column, just add the name. So this is entry 5. Then choose the property. So this will be checkbox. That's very simple. So that's it for tables. When you come to now the next one, when you want to now add say bulleted list or checklist, you can just do / and to-do list. So you can add to-do list, let's say buy coffee. Then you can say buy coffee, buy cereal and stuff. So that's the to-do list, and you can check when you're done. For bulleted list, / bulleted list. So buy coffee and buy cereal. Yeah, so that's for the bulleted list. What else? Also the headings. So for heading 1, so this is first heading, and see how big it is. Then let's go to the next heading, heading 2, and second heading. So you can see it's a bit smaller. Then now we have the third heading, heading 3, which is smaller than that. Third heading, yeah. So that's how it is. So first heading, second heading, third heading. Then if you just want normal text, just like that. And if you want to format it, just highlight it. Then now you can even now choose this portion that you have highlighted. You want it to be turned to a heading, heading 2, heading, page, to-do lists, all those options that you're given. You can even make it bold, italics, underline, even change the color. Yeah, so make it like, let's say, red. So there's a lot of customization you can do to your pages. So those are just the tips for getting started on using Notion. So now when you now start combining all these, it look something like, let's go to my books. Red. So you can see I've combined so many things. You can see the table has the icon. You can see this table has name, author, status, review date, source, and all those information. Then now you can even sort the table depending on what you want. So right now I've sorted according to status and review. So the status must be finished and the review also be finished. So you can see all the books that have finished and have done a review. And inside those inside the entries of the table, I can see what I've written for the review. So these are the notes that I write now. So you can see I'm combining all these things. So you can see this is heading 1, this is a quote, this is heading 1, this is heading 2, this is the normal text, heading 3, I think heading 3. You can even add images. You just drag and drop the image from the desktop to this and to automatically upload. Then you can see heading 1, like that. So the more you use it, the more it becomes familiar to you. It's not so hard to use it. So yeah, you can see now the quotes. So it's something very easy to use, and it really makes a difference in how you go about your activities. So for me, it has really helped me to read more and even take notes on what I read, so I'm able to remember what I've actually read, and even able to now even make reviews for that I post on my blog. So it's usually up to you on how you want to use Notion. It's a great tool to enhance your productivity. So it's I highly recommend people to use it. So I hope this video has provided a quick rundown on how to use Notion to get you started, how to make pages, how to make tables, how to come up with, how to make various headings, how to customize the text, also the headings, even how to add emojis. So if you guys have any suggestions on what I should include next in the next video, or what video I should do next, please let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to those people who want to learn how to use Notion. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.